Pineapples are not funny. Apple cores are not funny. Tennis rackets are not funny. Trees are not funny. Balloons are not funny. Dinette sets are not funny. Mailboxes are not funny. Policemen are not funny. Whistles are not funny. Hot dogs are not funny. Tambourines are not funny. Blades of grass are not funny. Mustaches, not funny. Tacos, not funny. Drumsticks, not funny. Piñatas, not funny. Pianos, not funny. Bookshelves, not funny. Triangles, not funny. Snails, not funny. Aardvarks, not funny. Gravity is not funny. Wheel wells are not funny. Turtle shells are not funny. Bookcases are not funny. Lampshades are not funny. Drywall are not funny. Crustaceans are not funny. Pickle jars are not funny. Cereal bars are not funny. Dirty clothes are not funny. Mailmen are not funny. Fast food restaurants are not funny. Funerals are not funny. Amplifiers are not funny. Microphone stands are not funny. I can only think of one more thing that belongs on this list. And that would be you, Dane Cook.